Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, launch the Bingo Blitz app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, you will see this kind of interface. Make sure you already have your account in this app. If you haven't, you can easily create a new one first. Now, in order to add friends on this app, you need to go to the Friends Center. Here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now from the given menu, choose this Friends Center option. Now in order to add friends, here you can see the add icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. After that, here you can see the search bar which says search by ID. You can tap on it. Now you need to type the ID of your friends that you want to add. Once you enter the user ID, you can send them the friend request and you can add them as your friends. So that's it. The only thing you need to know is the user ID of the players that you want to add. And you can easily add them as your friends in the Bingo Blitz app. So that's it. That's how you can add your friends in Bingo Blitz. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.